Most people mess up steamed chicken, but with these 3 tricks, your mushroom chicken comes out juicy, flavorful, and never smell weird. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We need about 40 grams of dried mushrooms. I'm using morels, shiitake, cordyceps flower, king oyster mushrooms. You can use any kind you like. Rinse the dried mushrooms. If you are using fresh mushrooms, grab a deeper plate because they release quite a bit of liquid while steaming. Then soak them in cold water for 2 hours, or use warm water around 30 to 50 degrees centigrade and soak for 30 minutes. After washing 400-gram chicken wings, cut each wings into 2 pieces. Secret number 1. Trim off the thick skin near the joint and the fatty edges on the middle section. Those parts are where the strong smell usually comes from. Secret number 2. Rinse the wings again until the water is clear and squeeze them completely dry. Season them with 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, half tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, a pinch of salt, minced ginger and garlic, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix everything for about 1 minute. Then let the chicken marinate for 20 minutes. Slice peeled sweet potato or regular potato into half-centimeter slice and lay them on the bottom of your plate. Add the mushrooms, squeezing out the excess water first. And don't toast the soaking liquid. Strain it and use it for rice or soup. Secret number 3. Place the chicken on the top, piece by piece. Try not to put in the leftover marinade. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Once it's boiling, set the plate into the steamer. Steam over medium-high heat for about 25 minutes. Simple, clean, and super flavorful. Thanks for cooking with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.